Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today I want to share with you one more stir-fry meal. The pork and the fennel are stir-fried with a little coconut water. The pork is tender and juicy with a nice flavor. The fennel has a crunchy taste with a nice aroma. Please give this video a like, a subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. Now let's start. Slice the pork into 5mm thicknesses. Please refer to the detailed ingredients in the description of the video below. To marinate the meat, I add the chili sauce and the coconut caramel that is made from coconut water. This gives the meat a nice color. Add the oyster sauce. The light soy sauce, the cornstarch or tapioca flour, and water. Mix them well. And then add a teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them well again and leave this to stand aside. The meat will absorb the seasoning while I prepare the other ingredients. Cut the fennel to about 1 cm thick. Normally, I can fry a small one. This is the first time I have found a big fennel in the local shop. I also need spring onions and only use the green parts. I need the large clove of garlic to slice. Add 2 teaspoons of annatto oil into the wok over medium heat. Add the garlic. Now the garlic gives a good aroma. Put the meat in and leave the seasoning liquid to stand aside, and it will be added to the mixture later. Saute the meat for 3 minutes. Flip them over and continue to saute them for 3 minutes. Now the meat turns brown. Add the fennel and stir them up. Now it is the time to add the seasoning liquid. One and a half tablespoon of coconut water. Give them a stir while frying for 6 minutes. Cook them together so that the fennel pieces are cooked and absorb the seasoning liquid, the coconut water, and the meat juice. This gives the meat the fennel's aroma at the same time. Add 1 and a half more tablespoons of coconut water and stir them well for 3 minutes. Now the fennel is 80% cooked. Add spring onions and stir them for 1 minute. It is now done and ready to be served. Please cook this, enjoy this meal, and let us know how it goes for you and your family. Thank you for watching.